I would like to show you SociGram, what it looks like inside. So here you can see that there's the option of post and auto activity. So I clicked on post, and you can upload pictures. Sorry, my antivirus keeps popping up. So you can upload pictures here, and you can add a caption, whatever you want to say. I'm just gonna say this is my caption. Okay, and you can use emojis, all kinds of things you want to put in here. To get out of the emojis, you just click here on that check mark. Alright, so this is my post. You can see a live preview here, and you can schedule it for any time you want. So click here, let's say tomorrow. Okay, and it lets you set a time, like if you want to post it in the morning when people are active. So you could look for 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay, and then it lets you select minutes here, 8:30. And this is the advanced option. It means add a first comment on your post. So you can comment on your own post. You can give it some kind of a like or say something, whatever. Be creative. Okay, so it shows you that it's gonna post tomorrow, and then I can just click schedule my post. Oh, there's one thing you have to do. I keep forgetting. I have to select my Instagram account that I created only yesterday, so there's not much here, and I used this yesterday to test. I ran it for like 1 minute and I got 9 followers. Anyway, there's advanced training which we will be giving you on how to use it. So here's my post, and I'm gonna click it here again. Now that I've selected my Instagram account, I'm gonna schedule my post, and it says added schedule successfully. And if I want to see what's happening to my schedules, I can go here, and it says on the 16th, like it's scheduled, right? It's in queue. And if you want to see the ones which are published, this is the one I did yesterday. So this is the one I did yesterday. And the unpublished, I didn't publish anything. So it's quite self-explanatory. You can play around with it. And the next thing is, yeah, another thing in post I can show you is you can add stories. Again, you can pick a picture from here. You also have a file manager. It means you already loaded pictures previously, so they are stored here. So the other feature is carousel. It just means you can add kind of a slideshow. You add many pictures, like you can go to the file manager and select, oh, it's the same picture, you know, just random pictures, and add. So you see, it's like a slideshow. I'm not sure how you can use that for your marketing, but this is a feature that comes. Okay, and the next thing that we have here is auto activity. So you can auto like, auto comment, follow, unfollow, send a direct message to people who like you, and you can repost medias, anything you posted before. But before you can do all that, you can see it stopped because I tried it yesterday. It's not running at this moment. You first have to go in settings, and you can disable or enable the feature that you want. And there is a huge, like if I scroll down, there's lots of settings you have to do that. It's just mind-boggling, but it's an amazing feature. So you can say, I want to target people with tags, I can target people with locations, I want to target people who follow me and I'm following. So there's all kinds of features here. You can also control your speed, and I highly recommend you stay on slow, which means, see, if you go to fast, all these numbers change. If I am on slow, it means uh, it will like, the software is going to auto like per hour only 2 posts. It will comment, it will make 3 comments, it will do 3 follows and 3 unfollows and 1 direct message and 1 repost media. So I'd like to try it slow because uh, I don't want my Instagram to be blocked. I don't want the Instagram algorithm to think that it is a machine that's doing it all. I want the machine to behave like a human. Anyway, so you can choose these features, the speed, sorry, and there's all kinds of filters. Say you want to follow people who have minimum followings of 500, and all kinds of options are here. Comments, you can auto comment. So it's like this is the one I added, pretty cool, thanks for sharing. You can click here and add all kinds of comments that you want to use. And this is direct messaging. When somebody likes your post or follows you, like you can select your new follows or targets, then automatically a message goes to them and you can make your own message here, whatever you want to say. Okay, hi username, or hi full name, thanks for following me, and blah blah blah. So you got to be creative on how to use the software. The software is available to use. You got to find your own marketing ideas. Again, there's all kinds of settings here, follow and follow, and it's gonna take a while to understand all those things. Repost medias, and you can add more tags. What kind of tags? I added these quickly yesterday. The location, I'm targeting only United States and Canada. I'm not interested in countries which people in countries who probably don't know much about online marketing. But it depends on what you are promoting, right? If you are in a particular country and you are promoting a local business, then you can select that country. You can select usernames, like I tried work from home. So I found some people who had these kind of usernames. There's no doubt that these are online marketers. You can blacklist certain tags because you don't want people to follow you from these kind of tags. And yeah, and this is auto stop if you want to be super careful that you don't want to go overboard and start posting and liking and commenting, and you just want to be careful. You can work on these settings. Well, that's quite a bit actually to understand, and when you're all done, you just press start, and when you start, it starts doing all these things. Like it will start based on what you have set here, and your all the settings here, it will start. I'm just gonna stop it. I just created a new account yesterday. Another thing about Instagram accounts is the don't start experimenting with your main Instagram account. Always create a new one and first learn how to use it, because just in case you post too much, you don't want to get into trouble. All right, so here I'm going to show you a dashboard. You can see some statistics here. It shows how many comments, likes, follows happened. It's like a report. And this I showed you already, the schedules. Account manager, this is to connect I already connected myself, so I don't have to do that again. Captions, you can have preset captions if you don't want to keep typing captions every time you make a post, so you can add a new caption, and you can preset some captions here with emojis. Okay, again, a feature to explore. This is your file manager where you can store all kinds of pictures. It does have a limit, but it's quite enough. Like, these pictures are not very heavy. This is follow adder, and you can see that they want upfront $49.99, and that's only for 6 months. It says 8.33 per month, but it will not let you pay $8.33 per month. It will actually ask you to pay this, and and it might not have all the features. It doesn't say what features it has. Probably doesn't have all the features that we have. And then there's another one called Mega Follow, and for the whole year they want $299.99. That's a lot of money. There's another one, Guamista, and this is $89.99 only for 90 days, and I'm not even sure if it has the auto posting feature in it. So you see, there's many products in the market for Instagram, and as we always give you the best price and the product. Alrighty, so if you're ready, get started.